Hello, welcome to Headsets for Business. I'm Darren Page. This short video is explaining how the headset lifter attaches to the phone from Doro, which is this one here. We're working on the principle that you've already seen the basic wireless headset guide, which is how to set this wireless headset up, which is the Doro HS1910. If you haven't already connected this to your phone, and there are two different videos with and without a headset port, please look at those videos first before you move on to this one. Okay, so the lifter itself comes with only really three things, which is the lifter itself, which is quite a contained unit, as you can see. Just one lead, and that simply plugs into the back of the base station. Again, it's colour matched like all the rest of them, and it's on the end there. It's the dark blue, and you just literally plug it in there like that. Okay. The lifter itself has three sections on the side. You can see all these or not. Let's just see if we can get that close to the camera. There you go. Okay. You have the external mic button. The mic is this thing here. Again, it's very simple to do this because there are so few parts. So there's your mic button there. I'll explain about that in the next video. That literally just plugs in there. Very, very simple. Okay. This is the on and off button for the lifter. If you press the button there, obviously red light meaning that it is now off and wouldn't lift. Okay, blue light means it's on. Obviously you need the blue light on. Okay, this one here is the sensitivity button or dial. It's 1, 2 or 3 bells. By default the factory setting is usually the middle one, and usually in 80% of cases that's enough for it to actually hear the dial tone and then lift the lifter. Okay, so that's the lifter itself explained. It's quite simple. On the lifter arm, which is this section here, there are three things to be aware of. Okay, the first thing is you get this little extra section here, which just slides in and out of there, and that is simply for the different shapes to compensate for the different shapes on the receiver itself. Some are rounded with a flat edge like this one, some are completely circular, so just see which one fits inside here the best for you. So remove it if you don't need it, or just leave it there, which is fine. Okay, so for this case we'll just put this in because I know this phone will need this. Okay, there's a slider button here, and this operates the angle. Again, every phone is different. Some phones are literally at this angle, sort of 45 degrees. Some are flat on the desk, which is pretty much what this one is. So essentially this slides up, which literally makes it flat. Okay, for anyone who's completely got a flat desktop phone, and consequently if you push it the other way, all the way, as you can see, it lifts and it alters the angle of the phone. You just have to have a bit of a mess around, make sure you get the right height. On the other side, this here also moves up and down on a ratchet, and this is for the actual contact. If you lift the receiver off your phone, I'm sure you'll be aware that there is a button there, and that makes contact with that. And again, that's just a case of sliding that up and down till the whole thing fits. In the next video we'll show you how to actually install it and go through each section. Okay, so that basically is the lifter. It's just simply attached to the back of the wireless headset like the rest of the leads. It's a blue lead, marked blue. It's the actual dark blue, and you just match it up with the same colour there. In fact, there's only one. There's only one large plug on here, and that's the only one that will fit. So you can't really go wrong with that one. You can with the others, so make sure they are colour coded. It is very, very simple. Please ensure you do that. Okay, so that's it. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and we'll install the lifter onto the phone and show it working. That's Darren Page, Headsets for Business, and thank you for watching.